Did you know that iodine can help your tomato seedlings grow faster and produce bigger fruits? Here's a simple and effective natural fertilizer you can use. For faster growth and bigger tomatoes, mix 1 drop of iodine with 3 liters of water and water your tomato seedlings once. This solution stimulates flowering and enhances fruit size. Protection against late blight. Phytophthora. Iodine can also help prevent late blight, a common tomato disease. For this, you'll need a few drops of iodine, 250 milliliters of milk, 1 liter of water. Mix the ingredients well and spray your tomato plants every 2 weeks to keep them healthy and disease-free. Full-scale plant spraying solution. For better protection and stronger plants, prepare a larger batch. 10 liters of water, 1 liter of milk, 15 drops of iodine spray your tomato plants thoroughly, making sure the leaves are well covered and dripping. This natural remedy will strengthen the plants and keep diseases at bay. Try this easy iodine treatment and watch your tomatoes thrive. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gardening tips.